Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through how to enable screen time breaks on TikTok for your Android phone. This useful feature helps you manage your time on the app by reminding you to take regular breaks. Let's go through the steps one by one. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find Activity Center. Here, click on Screen Time. Next, click on Screen Time Breaks. Then, tap on Schedule Breaks. Finally, choose your preferred break time, or set a custom time to schedule your breaks. That's how you enable screen time breaks on TikTok. Using this feature can help you stay mindful of your screen time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.